So guys, hello, I'm Lars from Germany. Today I'm here with Ali and Mohammed from Somali Safaris. We're in Mogadishu and right now we are here at Peace Park, which is a very beautiful spot. Today it took me around town. We went to Lido Beach and all the top spaces of Mogadishu. We had a really great time. So please.
Hi everyone, my name is Mike. I'm from Canada. Good to see Mogadishu and its surroundings. Right now we're on Jazeera Beach. Absolutely beautiful place. And I'd like to thank my tour guides, Ali and Mohammed. They made the trip carefree almost. It was such a spectacular adventure that I had. I definitely recommend other people if you're interested in coming to Mogadishu.
Hello, this is Lido Beach in Mogadishu in Somalia. Look at this beach. Many people are swimming and enjoying the life here. Somalia is a very safe country. People can enjoy. There's no problem visiting Somalia. Please come and visit Somalia. Yay!
My name is Peter from Slovakia. Regarding you from the most beautiful beach on the world. You see, if you go here, you can visit really nice places, very safe places, and you can enjoy the ride on the boat. You can swim everywhere you want. So I'm looking forward. I am jumping to the water. So come to Somalia. Don't worry about nothing. Thank you.
Very interesting trip. Pozdrawiamy. Poza trasą.
Overall, it's excellent because of the way that you always ask it, am I happy? I would recommend people use your company because of the way you look after me. You've exceeded my expectations. You do a fantastic job. And just a couple of little small changes will get you to the highest. The main thing is that you've got to tell people, your main problem is to let people know that you exist and what you do. Well, I got to see the beach, the Lido Beach. I got to see the lighthouse downtown we drove through. So I got to see the life. Yeah. I could see what's happening with people.
Okay.
So I got more than I expected to see.
I'm Hunch from Canada. I'm here in front of the Italian lighthouse. And around me have been super friendly. Just went to the fish market and looking forward to the rest of my tour. Cheers. Come to Mogadishu.
I am David from Dublin, Ireland. And here I am on this beautiful sunny day on the beach with the famous lighthouse behind me. Everybody is so friendly. It's amazing to Mogadishu.
Somalia, Mogadishu. 欢迎来到索马利亚，摩加迪休。
We arrived here yesterday, did a city tour today, stopped here, begged them to let us go swimming, so they brought us down to the beach. One of the warmest beaches I've ever swam in. Definitely no other foreigners here with the only foreigners here swimming. It's really great, the water's warm, it's very calm. Excellent beach to come swimming in.
So we are at the beach right now in Mogadishu, right next to the seaport and the lighthouse, obviously. And I want to thank, and at a very decent price, they picked me up from the airport and took me to the hotel. The hotel was really nice. The food is amazing. The people are amazing. Everyone is so hospitable and so welcoming. And I am having a great time in Mogadishu. And I would really like to see Somalia and the lovely people living here. Thank you so much.
So please share, subscribe on YouTube to Somali Safaris. We highly appreciate it.
Thank you.